give it up. Live it like you're never gonna give it up. Life is
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. This is Cherry from Edmonton, Canada. So right now, me and my kids are here at Whyte Avenue. It's a long weekend and we planned a day out. So kaya kami nandito, magla-lunch lang kami dito sa may Dorinco. So nandito ako sa tapat ngayon. That one, Dorinco here at Whyte Avenue. Then may pupuntahan din kaming night market for later. And then we'll see where else we're gonna go dito sa Whyte Avenue. Meron din yatang ice cream shop na gustong puntahan yung anak ko. So, yeah, I've been very busy kasi nitong buong summer sa trabaho. And itong mga anak ko matagal nang umuungot ng day out. Eh, sakto ngayon, hindi na ako ganun ka-busy sa trabaho. Natapos na yung deadline namin. And sakto naman, long weekend. So, eto, nailabas ko na sila and gala-gala kami today. Please stay with us and hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so first thing, we're having lunch here at Dorinco. So yung mga anak ko actually, meron na kaming table dun sa loob. So we're thinking tonkatsu and chashu. This is the cream truffle udon. This is the chashu. And this is the tonkatsu. Tapos nag-order kami ng shaka-shaka fries. Sarap yung fries nila dito. So, sarap ng linamnam ng fries na to. Promise. Addictive to eh. So far sa lahat ng fries na natikman ko. So we're sharing something. Kunin ko yung salad ng binata ko. Ang sarap ng ano. Ang sarap ng salad dressing nila. Tonkatsu. Masarap din yung tonkatsu nila. Crispy. Tapos malambot yung loob. Tapos ang sarap ng kanilang dipping sauce. Tapos meron siyang dessert na tiramisu. It's a coffee jelly tiramisu. Okay, so we're done with lunch. Lakad-lakad lang muna kami dito sa Whyte Ave at may target na ice cream shop tong dalawa eh, for later. Bibili daw sila ng milk tea. Tapos nasa baba yung shop. Hello. Ang cute naman ng shop nila nandito sa ilalim. Ito yung Asia Fest na sinasabi ng binata ko na gusto niyang puntahan daw namin itong September. Yan, sa may Windermere Asia 25 Fest. First, Oolong tea. We're done here. Ang cute pala ng mga shops na ganito yung pababa. So, siya yan. Not tea, not milk tea. Kaya lang, I wonder, no? Paano kaya mini-maintain dito kapag ka-winter? Kasi for sure, bumabaksak ang snow dito pababa. Ang cute ng shop na to, oh. Ganda. Nandito pala, sa cute na shop na to, yung gusto niyang ice cream. So this is the one. Yellowed ice cream. Filipino ice cream shop pala to. Kasi may flavor sila na Filipino Rocky Road. May calamansi, sherbet. Ako din kaya mag-ice cream din. Ito yung kinuha ng dalaga. Flavor. Pandan. Pandan. Busog naman ako, kaya hindi ako kumuha ng ice cream. Now, lakad lang muna kami dito. We barely come here sa Whyte Ave. Kasi nga may reputation dito na magulo, especially at night time. Pero actually, mas madaming mapapasyalan dito. Maraming mga restaurant and shops. More than the downtown. Maraming mga restaurants dito eh. Okay, nakita kong Winners. Pakisilong muna tayo kasi kainitan. 2:00 ng tanghali. Gamit na rin ang washroom. Okay, we're done here at Winners. So, labas na muna kami siguro. Lakad-lakad muna. T-shirts on white. Sino yung mga labubu? Marami ring mga coffee shops dito. Labo Coffee. Tapos merong Paris Baguette dun sa may corner. So, Paris Baguette is there at the corner. And then, tawid kami dito. Balik kami kasi mainit dito sa side na to. At least dyan, merong shade yung lalakaran. And we're gonna check some graffitis. Okay, now we're back here sa may The Strathcona building kasi sa banda roon itatry naming sumakay nung high-level bridge streetcar. I think at 2:47 yung next trip. So hopefully umabot kami. Mukhang sa side na to pala kasi may mga nakita kaming taong mga mukhang nag-aantay sa train at dito may train tracks and this is the sign here. High-level bridge streetcar. Ito, ang alam ko magbabayad ng cash and cash fare only. $8 back and forth. Merong conductor eh. Pero may tao naman dito, baka dito. So cash lang ang tinatanggap nila. Buti na lang may nitabi akong cash. Ay, ito yung pinagbenta namin ng bote kahapon. Itong 20. Na sa akin yung 40. Hi, can I have 3 tickets back and forth?
Okay, $24.
Okay, there you go. It's actually our first time to try this. Pero matagal ko na gustong itry ito eh. Yeah, marami rin nag-aantay. So, bali merong 2 stops. I think the stops are Government Center and the other one is at Jasper Plaza. So, near Jasper Avenue na sa downtown. Ito pala yung mga stops niya. Medyo na-delay lang siya dapat 2:47 pa. Delayed ng around 10 minutes. But here it comes. Ano siya? Okay, let's try this high-level streetcar. Tourist mode tayo today. Here we go. It's a really old streetcar na eh. Ginawa na lang nilang tourist attraction. So there's may conductor na nag-check ng tickets. Yun siya. Thank you. Ay, ang taas. Oops, sorry. Do you want here? Sobrang init ngayon itong buong linggo na ito. Nasa 30 degrees ang temperature. Nagkataon naman ng tuglakad namin napakainit. Dapat na sana punta kami ngayon ng Rotterdale Bridge. Pero I canceled it and chose this streetcar instead. At least nakasakay. Meron palang tanong. It's so dark right now. Yeah, mahaba-haba din yung tunnel ah.
There was someone there's another guy that it might have been the same guy.
Oh, there's another one.
Nobody's waving back at me. No one. They hate us.
Taking my time as the sun it shines on me and everyone that has come to find this world is cruel, but there's nothing new. Living in the moment is the only truth. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. Let's go slow.
So ito na, Jasper Plaza na, yung last station. So let's go. So, baba na kami dito. We're gonna go out. Ay, ang taas. Okay, so we're here now at downtown Jasper Plaza. This is the last stop. Ang next na lakad namin will be sa Terwillegar. There is Alberta night market na atin na namin starting 4 o'clock. It's now O 3:20 pa lang, maaga pa pala. Yan, by 4 o'clock we should be at Terwillegar for the festival. And then, we changed our minds. Sakay na ulit kami kasi dami pa pala naming oras. So, it's only 3:20. So, 40 minutes pa bago yung night market. Okay, another ride pabalik ng White Avenue. The lady was saying, itong streetcar na to pala is from Melbourne, Australia. Balik na kami dito sa White Avenue. Okay, let's go. Thank you. Yan na yung kasama ko. Okay. Yan na sa wake. Let's go. Mushroom pala dito sa White Avenue. Naghahanap kami kanina, wala sa Winners. So, eto, sa tapat nung The Strathcona na building. Specific for washroom. Tapos may mga naglilinis, may bantay. Which is nice. Okay, so time to move on. Punta na kami ng Terwillegar. So here we go. Nandito na kami sa Terwillegar. At past at 4:15, all set up na sila and all opened up. Oh. Okay, napakainit lang ng panahon. So this is the Alberta Night Market sponsored by Lucky Supermarket. Sobrang init lang. Kainitan. Kasi itong buong linggo namin, nasa 30 degrees ang temperature namin eh. Pero look at this. Daming tao. Kaka-open pa lang oh. Canto Bites, Filipino. Ayun oh. Mamaya. This is, what is this? Gen tea. Ayan, so refreshment nga muna kami. Mango, dragon fruit, and taro milk tea. So, bali, I think there will be some musicals also and some performance, I think, na mangyayari later on. Okay, I will try that. Oh my God. Samanang malamig. Mango, dragon fruit. Kaya lang medyo matamis. Meron silang mga labubu, oh. Of course, potato corner. Another Filipino food cart of Marmosa Pinoy. Ano mga pagkain nila? Pansit, siomay, spring roll, turo-turo, tempura, sisig, barbecue chicken. And Lucky Supermarket. Dinala nila yung food nila sa ano dito. Yung mga pagkain doon eh. Meron silang restaurant sa Lucky. Ayan o, banh mi. Masarap yan. Oh, I like the banh mi. What do you like? Iced coffee. Now or later? O sige, order ka na. Daw siya ng iced coffee. Okay, ikot-ikot na kami at magtitingin na kami ng mabibilhan. Sana merong mga stick like kwek-kwek, barbecue, ganyan. Pan-jerky, blue leaf. Meron silang classic halo-halo. Ube, halo-halo. And a bunch of drinks. Yan ang mabenta ngayon kasi napakainit. Okay, let's move on. Tita, that's your satay. Kaya lang, looks like it's on a plate, no? Ayun, they have sticks too. And parang mga anik-anik. Claw machine. Oh, set up sila ng claw machine. Braised egg. Crispy pork bites, tita, no? Chinese food, Hong Kong food, This one, mga barbecue squid, Oreo milk, taro. Wala pa. So, curry fish ball, beef combo, hamburger, drinks. Look at this, oh, Labubu. Labubu craze. Oh, 30 lang, oh. Of course, ano ba kundi satay. Satay with rice.
Thank you so much. If you like our performance, please follow us on Instagram. We are Spark Rose Pick. Thank you again.
And sisters.
Order ako ng siomai and malamig na coke dito sa Mermosa Pinoy. It's 6 p.m. pero uwi na kami. We're done here. Busog na kami. May take out pa akong siomai. So okay naman. Pang family siya. It's our first time to come here. Yung event pang family. Maraming maliliit na bata naglalaro dun sa mga bouncy castle doon. And then, it was fun. So for a couple of hours, we were just sitting there dun sa damuhan sa gilid ng stage. Nakikinig lang ng music, nagpatay lang ng oras. At busog na kami. Hindi na rin kami maka-merienda pa. So, we're going home now. It's time to rest na. Look, haba ng pila dun sa may merong halo-halo. So, seems like it's just starting. Kasi mas masaya pa to later. Yeah, kaya lang. It's time to go home now. By the way, thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked the video that we shared today. I'm gonna see you again in the next one. Bye!